figure 8. Why are you laughing? I'm not laughing with you. I look like a carpenter. Don't talk to me anyhow. Whoa. I'm trying to go through the corners. Okay? Very good. I want to be square, I want to be square. That's on period. Stop laughing at me. Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Chinny and it's so nice to meet you. So please join the family, join the gang by subscribing to the channel. And if it's not your first time here, hey boo, what's up, and welcome back to the channel. As you may have seen from the title or from the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing a try on haul for you guys. I got some basic things from Razor Sharp, basic items, you know, because I'm trying to do a little something to my wardrobe. So I'm just going to show you guys the basic things I got. Not everything are clothing items. I actually got some accessories as well, so I'm going to show you guys everything as well. By the way guys, I am barefaced today, no makeup, no nothing, just me and my bare face because my face is undergoing some, you know, treatments and healing process. So yeah, hence the big hoops I have on, so we won't be out here looking crazy, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so you guys stay tuned and let's get into the video. Are the things I got from Razor Sharp. It came in this bag here, so you guys can see. So I'm going to show you guys everything in here and everything in here. Actually guys, I've actually worn 2 items out of everything here, and the rest of them I haven't worn. Take it from me, it took a lot of self-control and discipline not to wear these items because I've had them for some time now, but then I've just really not had time to film this haul. Anyway, thank God I'm finally filming the haul. So yeah, these are the things I got from Razor Sharp. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video today. All of the clothing items I got were tops. This being one of the tops I got from Razor Sharp. This is a white crop top, guys. I really like this crop top because it's really snug. I don't like to wear tight jeans or tight, you know, pants. I like to wear big jeans, and this top I feel goes right with big jeans. I'm particularly in love with the color. I really love white as a color, so I just got this because it's actually a very basic top, you know. I really like it. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. I think it looks cute and it's definitely, you know, something I can just pick up and wear to anywhere without any issues whatsoever. So yeah, so this is the second top. It's a very cute top and I love, you know, the, what would I call this, ruffles, or you know, everything going on here, details up here I really like. And I like the fact that it goes all the way down here. The hands are off shoulder, like, yeah, right? Yeah, the hands are, you know, off the shoulder like this. So I'll probably wear this with some tight pants because I don't think loose pants really goes with this. Maybe something tighter here and then maybe loose down on the legs. But yeah, I really like this top a lot. My jeans is actually up here, yeah, and then this is where the top stops. So I really like the length of the top as well. Yeah, this I love. Very cute, very simple, and very comfortable. Guys, so this is what we're going to be trying on next. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the next top. Woo! So it actually goes all the way under here, so I'm just going to tuck that in. Wow, okay. Whoa. So I really like this top. First of all, let's all appreciate nude on me. It looks really cute. I like the color. I like the nude tone. It's a very neutral color, and neutral colors are it for me. So yeah, I really like these guys. And funny enough, this is actually one item that I had second thoughts, not even second thoughts, I had a lot of thoughts about this particular item. This just does something to the body, you know, it gives you a little figure eight. It makes you look more, you know, shapy. So let me try and button it all up and see what that would look like. Okay, this actually isn't bad either. I'm indifferent about, you know, how the buttons should be open or closed, but I really like this top. It's really, you know, cute. But I would have to actually be very selective about where I wear this top too, because it's showing a little too much skin, and I don't think I can wear this with anything, any other jeans or any other pants or any other thing below that is lower than this, because anything lower than this is a no, it won't fly. It's gonna be showing a lot of skin, a whole lot of skin. So yeah, but for the record, I love the top. I don't regret my decision at all. Okay, this is the next item we're going to be trying on. I don't know. First of all, let's start with this. I like the top. I like the color of the top. I love the material of the top. And I also like the neck. This is actually the main reason why I picked this top, because of the neck. But I also realized that there was this padded shoulders on this top, but I think if it had had sleeves, it would actually look better on me. But I think I'll have to find a way to maneuver to wear this and make it look nice, because I really don't like what it looks like right now. Let me try tucking this in. Okay, yeah, this is actually a better way to style this top. It has to be tucked in for it to actually look nice on me. Please, just in case you see me, don't talk to me anyhow, because this is pure class. I actually like the top. If the shoulders weren't padded, I don't think it would look this good tucked in. So yeah, that's probably why they had it padded with the sleeves like that. You can't even talk to me anyhow. Don't talk to me anyhow. Thank you. Okay, let me see you walk. Walk, 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 walk.
Let me see you walk, 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 walk.
Next to try on. So this is the next item. I really love this top. The cuts or the finishing is not exactly straight. Like, it's not a straight cut. It's like, you know, curved all the way and then curved back in here. So I really like it. It's really snug. It's, you know, giving what it's supposed to give. It's not exactly in the color I would have wanted it to be, but this is also a very cute color, and I couldn't let it go because I saw what I liked and I had to get it. I got this in purple or light purple or lilac, so I really like this top as well. It's really pretty, really cute and very casual. Okay, I think we need to move. If not, I won't stop admiring myself here. Okay, so this is the next item we have. This is the next item we have. This is a brown turtleneck top. Okay guys, I really love this top, it is giving what it's supposed to give. It is very light and so comfortable. It stretches this back. You can just see that, and yet it's still back to the body, and it's beautiful. I love the color of this top. It's kind of like burnt orange, but then it's brown, so like dark brown, and I really like it. This is beautiful. It's simple yet classy at the same time, so this is definitely my style. Hold on, let me give you guys some B-roll. Anyway, I really love this top. It's definitely a yes for me. This is the next item, guys, and actually the last clothing item we have. So this is a mesh top. No, not a top, actually it's a bodysuit, as you can see. This took nearly the whole day trying to put it on because I don't know why it just refused to fit into this my small head with my very flat braids. I just wanted to show you guys that this is the bodysuit. I'll have to, you know, tuck this in and button. I really love, like, this is classy. This is really classy. I love all that it is giving. This is just beautiful. All right, so this is a mesh top. I really love it. It's, you know, very comfortable, and you know, because of the material, which is mesh, I wouldn't feel hot wearing this, regardless of the fact that it's all covered up everywhere, you know, from the neck to the hands, everywhere is covered. But I really love this top. It's actually like the best that I've tried on so far. It's covered from the top to the bottom, and it's everything. I really love it. I really wasn't going for patterns. Like I said, I was going for basics. So this is actually the only pattern, right? The only patterned item I got, and I don't regret it at all. But I wore a black tube inside of it because I definitely won't wear a full what's it called, singlet inside of this, or a full camisole inside of this. No, because I mean, I want to be free. The sleeves are long, so long, and that's what I like. I hate it when sleeves are supposed to be long but then they're stopping right here. So I like the fact that this goes all the way down. So yeah, this is really pretty. I really love it. I love the pattern. It's not too, you know, busy, and the color as well is everything. Yeah, I really love this outfit. This is my favorite. Okay, so I got this bag as well. This is a brown bag. So this is what is going on here. It has this like nearly half of the hand as a chain hand. I really love this handbag. This is the hand. The hand is just a regular schmegular hand. So let's see what it is like. Yeah. Oh, it's a long hand. Why is it long? Oh my god, I didn't want a long hand. Okay, it has this buckle like kind of hand. I think I'm going to open up some more holes so I can be able to make the hands short a bit. Nope, this is not it at all. Yeah, this is it. You see? talking about. Come on. This is how I'd rather carry this handbag. This is, ideal for me. I love this because of, the shape of the front of it. It's square shaped, and I'm really in love with square shaped footwear. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see that, I didn't really tie it up to here because I have my jeans on. It fits perfectly. I love the color and everything. It goes really well. I really like it. These are just flat slippers. I really like them. I like the color especially. The shape also is not round exactly. It's actually a little bit squarey, and I like that as well. So I'm just going to try this on. Okay, actually, it's very comfortable. So you guys can see. So the last item I got was this Zara slippers in nude. I love the slippers especially, you know why? Because of this. This is the most pronounced square face I have amongst all of the footwears I got, and I really like that. The other ones were trying to go through the corners, but this one, it maintained, stood its ground. I want to be square, that's on period, okay? See it, but yeah, this is what is going on, just in case. Yeah, so I'm in love with these slippers. I really love it. It's giving, what's it giving? What vibe is it giving? Let's see. It's giving, okay, casual, but don't play with me. Why are you laughing with? Me? Nah. So that's the kind of vibe it's giving. Casual, yeah, but so that's it, guys. We've come to the end of this haul. This is everything I got from Razor Shop. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section and let me know which item is your favorite or what items are your favorites. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.